I can ask her.
Go ahead.
What difference is it going to make?
Because that proves that I wasn't close enough to hit her, because when she hit the curb, then I would have hit her, wouldn't you not?
Fight in court, Joe. I'm not going to sit here and argue with you all day, okay?
Oh, yeah, because you're a f***ing dumb, fat, worthless piece of shit.
Hang tight until she's done, and then you're free to go after that.
Giving me no tickets to the window.
Well, we're going to give them to you, so... Yeah, I can't hear you either, bud.
Dumb piece of shit.
If you know what's good for you, you'll stay in your car and wait till we're done.
Did I break the law?
Okay? So stay put. Don't make this any worse than it has to be, Joel.
What are you going to do about it?
Stop.
I dare any one of you dumb to try to put your hands on me.
Just stop. We don't want to have to.
No, you started this. You're allowing your officer.
Start anything.
No, I was behind your fat officer.
If you be quiet and give us a minute, we'll be done here.
No, there's no minute, you dumb.
Well, whatever, Joel. Obviously, we're not going to come to any sort of agreement here. So,
Another ticket for this one?
yeah, if you continue to do it.
Why don't we just take it to DC at this point?
What's that?
Take him to jail for DC.
Okay.
In Wisconsin, on the afternoon of the 14th of March 2024, a seemingly simple traffic stop quickly spiraled out of control. Police cameras captured the moment a driver repeatedly honked, tailgated, and flashed his lights at the patrol car before being forced to stop by the police. No one expected the man to claim he was pulling the police car himself.
The reason I stopped you is because you were honking at me and following at an unsafe distance?
No, I wasn't.
Okay. Okay, do you have your driver's license on you?
I sure don't.
23 com, who's that come back to?
You better call your chief right now, you
That's not very nice.
Well, I have the right to pull you over. You were on the phone and you were doing something wrong.
So you were trying to pull me over?
Did you not see the lights flashing?
Okay. Sounds good.
Get your chief down here now.
He's not coming.
Yeah, he is.
And you're not free yet. I'm sorry, comm center, can you go ahead?
Your chief is coming down here, whether I got called him or your fat ass is bringing them down here.
And I'm not sure if I asked for another one, but I'll take one. He's refusing to identify himself.
I'm asking for your supervisor.
Supervisor can come down, but not my chief.
Your supervisor's gonna come here.
Okay.
Because you have no business pulling me over.
Okay. But you were trying to pull me over.
I didn't do nothing wrong. I was behind you. Can you determine from your mirrors what's safe? Because this says right here that may appear to be closer than
10-4, do we have any recent contacts with it?
Stand by. Confirming you said one failing to identify.
10-4, the driver is.
10-4.
Scream for help. Get out of the car and scream for help.
Upon contact, the man named Joe immediately refused to provide identification, yelled, and dragged his child into the fight, demanding that the child get out of the car and scream for help. Despite the police's warning, Joe continued to confront, asserting that he had the right to chase and honk because he saw the police doing something wrong. The situation became so tense that the police had to request an emergency supervisor to come to the scene.
He's now got his child stepping out of the car to scream for help.
Help!
Bud, you don't have to do that.
Okay, he's going to do it because you're
Help! 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 Help!
He's actually requesting a supervisor now, if one is available.
It's not your supervisor.
Nope, he's on his way.
Okay.
We could just sit here and wait for him.
Because you were doing something illegal. I wasn't. I was behind you.
Okay.
Honking my horn at you is not illegal. I'm allowed to honk my horn all I want.
Okay. Sounds good.
Help! 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 Help!
Sir, do you want me to explain the law to you? Or do you want my supervisor to?
The law that I was honking my horn at you?
Know that you have to identify yourself.
I Only if I had committed a crime, which I have not done.
I told you the reason.
No, that's not a
Okay.
crime. Honking the horn at you is not a crime. You do realize that, right?
You're just getting yourself more tickets.
What law is honking the horn at you?
Okay.
What law, you dumb fat is honking the horn at you?
So the tickets I'm going to give you is for following too closely and unlawful use of horn are the two ones. That's furthering my reason for the ticket. And then if you don't give me your driver's license,
I'm waiting for your supervisor. Once
he's
I
coming.
ask for your
He's coming. I'm
supervisor,
just
you dumb
explaining it.
you're supposed to go wait in your
Okay.
vehicle until he comes.
Okay, I don't have to wait. And I'm not going to. I'm going to wait right here.
Is it gonna be funny when I tell the judge that I was following behind you honking the horn because you were doing something wrong? And I just had a conversation with the day officer yesterday. It says that I have the right to do something.
Oh, I know who you are.
Yeah, you dumb.
Okay, perfect. I know who he is. I'm gonna go back to my squad real quick and get some tickets.
You can't write me tickets. I asked for your supervisor, you fat ass.
I'm recording. So, what's the stop for?
So I was going down Church Street and he was flashing his lights at me, like following like this close. I turned here, he's blaring his horn at me, so I pulled over. He got a on me and I pulled him over for following too close and to see if he was in distress. He's failing to identify himself. I just happened to know because Kim had said she dealt with somebody who was very uncooperative, and I think it's him. Can I take him to jail for not identifying himself?
We know who he is.
Now,
So,
I'm gonna give him an obstruction ticket
it's up to you.
and following too close.
Yeah, if you want to start working on those, and
Yeah.
we'll get them out of here.
This fat yesterday was on the phone with me yesterday, and that's why she's here now.
Hey, Joe. What's up, man? I'm the supervisor. You want to talk to somebody?
Yes. Can I get
What's
out
going
for a
on?
second?
Just stay put. I can talk to you right here.
Okay, I was coming off of Ellis Street. This dumb came off the fucking Main Street. Had no blinker on when she made the turn. She was as well on her phone. I followed her down the road because I talked to somebody yesterday that made it very clear that if I had a problem with one of the officers that I can most definitely make a complaint about it.
Okay.
So I was following her down the road to figure out who she was, and I was flashing my light and honking my horn.
Were
and
you
now she
behind
thinks-
her or in front of her?
I was behind her.
Okay.
And now she thinks she has a right to give me a ticket for honking my horn. I got every right to honk my f***ing horn.
How close were you to her?
I was a car lengths behind her.
Okay.
She swerved and hit the f***ing curb like a dumb bitch with her car over here,
Yeah, so he could go around me.
and I was nowhere close to being by her. Did I drive any closer to anybody else than I do any other day in the world?
So, I wasn't here, so I didn't see exactly what happened, but she says you're following too close behind her.
What
She
is
stops
too
you for
close?
that.
No, that's not what she stopped me for. She
For
said I was
flashing your
honk-
lights or what?
She said I was honking my horn at her because I was trying to get her to stop. I was not following too closely.
Okay.
Can you guys prove it? What is the law when it follows too closely? What does the mirror say when you read them? What does that say? If you guys are so smart. Objects in mirror appear closer than they
It has
are.
nothing to do with what it says in the
Yeah,
mirror.
it does. It is a lawful statement on there.
Why do you always have to be so confrontational when you deal with us?
Because you guys,
Why?
listen,
Why?
this is about transparency. I have been being harassed by my neighbors time after time again, and you guys allow it to happen. This called me yesterday harassing me, and then now she's pulling me over because she's breaking the law. And you guys want to write me a ticket because you don't want to sit in front of a judge in front of
For
one of your...
what? Talking on her cell phone?
Is it against the law to be using electronic devices while operating a vehicle? Is it against the law in the state of Wisconsin?
Not to talk on your cell phone like this? No, it is not.
Since when is it not to be on your phone?
In a construction zone, it is. If you're on your phone like this, you can be hands-free in a construction zone, but you can be on your cellular device talking on the phone like this. That is not illegal. Okay, for us or for anybody driving, unless you're in a construction zone.
Okay.
Okay, so if she's on her cell phone,
I don't care what
she
you guys
can be
are
on there
doing.
talking.
Anytime you guys are doing something wrong, this is what it's going to be. And if you guys are going to try to pull me over and give me a ticket for doing something wrong, we can take it to court and we can make this a
that's
thing
your
with
right.
Madison.
That's your right to take it to court, Joel. Just like you took that disorderly conduct ticket to court when we dealt with you down at
This
school.
dumb bitch literally
Listen,
said in front of my kids
It ain't gonna
that
do you any good.
I don't give a dude. What are you going to do? Not a thing. Because obviously you're letting this fat do what the she wants anyways.
She's just doing her job.
No, she's
if
not.
If you don't agree with it, you can argue
How
in
is
court.
she doing her
We're not going to
job?
argue
What
out
is the
here.
law when it comes to traveling too closely in the city? In the
Following
city.
at an unsafe, unreasonable distance
And
where you
what
wouldn't
it
have
is?
time to brake.
Oh, so when that fat hit the curb back there, I didn't have time to go around her?
I don't know. I wasn't here.
Ask that fat she hit the curb.
I can ask her.
Go ahead.
What difference is it going to make?
Because that proves that I wasn't close enough to hit her, because when she hit the curb, then I would have hit her, wouldn't you not?
Fight in court, Joe. I'm not going to sit here and argue with you all day. Okay?
Oh, yeah, because
So-
you're a f***ing dumb, fat, worthless piece of shit.
Hang tight until she's done, and then you're free to go after that.
Giving me no tickets to the window.
Well, we're going to give them to you, so. Yeah, I can't hear you either, bud.
Dumb piece of shit.
If you know what's good for you, you'll stay in your car and wait till we're done.
Did I break the law?
Okay? So stay put. Don't make this any worse than it has to be, Joel.
What are you going to do about it?
Stop.
I dare any one of you dumb to try to put your hands on me.
Just stop. We don't want to have to.
No, you started this. You're allowing your
I didn't
officer.
start anything.
No, I was behind your fat officer.
If you be quiet and give us a minute, we'll be done here.
No, there's no minute, you dumb.
Well, whatever, Joel. Obviously, we're not going to come to any sort of agreement here. So,
Write me another ticket for this car?
yeah, if you continue to do it.
Why don't we just take it to DC at this point?
What's that?
Take him to jail for DC.
Okay. Stop, Joel.
Me to unlock the car, or I will smash that window open.
For what?
Get out.
For what?
Step out, Joel.
As the supervisor tried to explain the law and end the incident with a ticket, Joe became increasingly agitated, repeatedly swearing, yelling, and refusing to stand still. The decision was made. He was arrested for disorderly conduct. Joe resisted violently, screaming that he was being choked, as the officers struggled to get him into the patrol car.
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct? A ticket?
Was going to be a ticket, but now it's not.
Joel, you make this stuff worse, dude, by the way
Dude,
you
you
act.
guys did this. This fat called me yesterday.
Just
Here we
stop.
go.
Joel, knock it off.
She got me by the throat.
On me.
She's got me by the throat. Stop. She's got me by the throat.
Come on.
She's got me by the throat.
Joel,
She's got me by the throat. She's
Joel.
got me by the throat.
stop.
She's got me by the throat.
Okay,
Dude, you're on a camera.
calm.
She's got me by the throat.
Joe, nobody's got you by the throat.
She's got me by the throat.
Joel, you need to...
Dude, you guys
Listen.
are doing this over nothing.
We're going to do another search.
Dude, you're
Let
letting
them
them
finish
over
searching you.
pushing their boundaries.
No, I'm not.
For what?
You're the one
What?
that's being the jerk out here.
Why?
We're not doing anything.
How am
to
I
you.
being a jerk?
Because the way you're acting.
Dude, I just got pulled over for nothing.
It's not for nothing, Joel. She explained to you why she pulled you over. You just don't agree with it. That's the problem.
Does that sound good?
So is it this gonna be lawful by a judge that you guys are arresting somebody for
You'll have your
honking
day in
their
court.
horn?
You'll have your day in court.
All right, let's go.
wait until I find where you are. Push me again.
Knock it off. Come on, Joel. Knock it off, dude. You're
Well, she's f***ing pushing me, dude.
You don't gotta push us back. Come
I f***ing tripped on my foot.
on. No, you didn't.
Yeah, you did.
You're lying.
Stop f***ing pushing me.
Sit down.
Battery to law enforcement, too.
What? Stop f***ing hit me.
Joel, get in the
They're
car.
punching me.
No, we're not. Sit down. Get your feet in now.
Feet in.
Stop.
Put your feet in.
Joel.
There's my throat.
We're just trying to get you in the car.
Nope, that's on camera.
It is.
That was my throat, you dumb.
Get in. Put your feet in, Joel.
No.
Now.
Stop, dude.
Then put your feet in.
Stop.
We don't want to have to pull you
Dude,
in.
you guys are harassing me.
Joel, slide in your feet, please.
Dude, I will headbutt you.
Do it. Do it, Ed.
Run, dude.
You want me to sneeze him?
You're about to get tased, dude.
Dude, I'm gonna. I want my kid.
Jesus Christ.
Roll my window down so I tell my kid to stop. I'm trying to tell my kid to stop. Roll my window down.
No.
I'm going to tell him to stop. You heard him. He has disabilities. Stop. I'm going to sue you. I'm going to sue you, you stupid.
En route to the jail.
You think the judge is going to be very happy this all started over honking my horn?
I don't know.
You think my lawyer's going to be happy with that?
I don't know.
Because I can tell you right now, it's not.
Joe was eventually charged with resisting, obstructing, and assaulting a police officer. Court records show he had a long history of civil lawsuits and numerous previous incidents of disorderly conduct. The result: Joe pleaded guilty, was sentenced to 12 months of probation, had to write a letter of apology, take anger management classes, and find steady employment. A traffic stop that started with a whistle but ended with handcuffs, all because of the driver's own loss of control.